Morning guys, we found ourselves a bridge, we found ourselves some water and we can already see a few bits in there. So that means it's untouched. So hello Mr. Man.
How are we?
We're doing great. Glad to be out. It's a nice sunny day, it's a little bit nippy, so let's hope we can warm up and get some stuff out of this river. Oh, what you found already? Oh, I've got a couple of bits there. He's found a sign.
It was a cardboard sign.
Oh. Hang on, if I stand here. Yeah. He's Masonic. Oh.
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 Alright, coming through?
Yeah,
No problem.
Thank you. Wow.
It's getting all the rubbish out of the river.
Yeah, we've been picking up rubbish as we've been going along.
Oh wow.
yeah. Thank you.
Leave, Taylor.
Oh. Man, that's heavy. Oh. 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 Wow, it's well heavy.
Can I plug in?
Oh. Oh. Wow. What is that? That's a bit of an engine. What's that in? That's got to be off a bike engine, I think. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know a few people on here that would. So get a good look at that and let me know in the comments what that's off. That's got to be an engine.
Thank you, Dave.
Speak up.
Rail chair.
Oh, nice.
Actually in it.
Oh,
Three.
track.
I've got 3.
Track bolts.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a track chair.
Yeah.
With an 80. Nice.
I've actually been pulling these out of the track chair.
Oh wow.
They were all in the track chair like that.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice one, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not bad, eh?
That's one of them isolator holders. It's a single one. Yeah, pretty good nick that. Nice. What you got, mate?
Fish plate.
Oh, a fish plate. He's getting the heavy stuff over there. I'm getting the light bits. That's a big old fishing hook. A load of, that's not fishing wire, but it's something on it. Was that a lure? I think that might be a lure. I've never seen one like that before. Looks more like a nipple tassel, doesn't it? I think it's a lure. Oh, you got one as well. Ha! Oh, sweet. He's got a lure. He's just bigger than mine. He's got a little fishing spinner with a furry bit on top. And I've got a furry one as well. I wonder if the same bloke lost both of them. There's some stuff coming out here. I've only been here 5 minutes. Oh, I win. I got a penny. I got a toopy. I got a toopy, 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 toopy. I win, Ray.
Hey?
I win.
You win. Oh, look at this.
Which? Oh. Oh. That's a kitchen knife, isn't it?
Knife. But
Oh, well done. Oh,
I got a one.
P,
I got a two P. I got a one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one P.
Something like that.
I'm in money.
Look what Ray's just gone and found. Oh, John. Look what Ray's just gone and found. A kitchen knife. It's a bit gnarly, been in there a while. That ain't gonna clean up. But no, he's found a knife. Well done, Ray. Look at the key. Oh. Oh. Now that's pretty cool. An isolator on the bracket. Oh, there we go. Now I can show you it better. It's an isolator, actually on a bracket. Wish it was whole, but it's a bit broken. But nice find. I feel like I've cleaned this bit out. So should we go and see what Ray's up to? See what Ray's just pulled out.
An old wheel rim, wheel cap.
He's got a hubcap.
Okay.
But it's got a little bit of a hole in it. But I know just the person who would appreciate that.
Oh, it's a bit going a bit there.
Yeah, we'll try and keep it as intact as possible. But that's one for John, I think. See if he can do something with it. Nice one. See?
Looks like it could be a trolley.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That does definitely look like a trolley. Looks like I'm catching up with Ray with the trap bolts.
Sometimes this.
There we go. There's another one. Wow. I'm a 4 to 7. I got 4. Ray's got 7. I'm catching him up. And got a padlock and a couple of big bolts and a net. Huh.
Increase my tally by another 2.
I don't think I stand much of a chance, do I? Just gonna start catching up and try to get some more. Oh man, what's that? Oh man!
Oh.
Wow!
That's an old valve radio.
Good. Get back. Oh.
Still up.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it's an old. Would you believe though? A very old valve radio.
Wow.
Can you see that there?
Yeah.
That's one of the. You won't be able to get it out, but you see it here.
Yeah.
That's where one of the other valves would sit.
All right.
And also.
So is that glass in?
Yeah, that's all glass.
Oh wow.
And then that's a valve,
Yeah.
which it's like the olden era.
Yeah.
To the like the resistors and transistors.
Oh wow.
Just to update you.
History right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh cool.
Oh,
Well, you heard him telling me what it is. An old valve radio. Nice one. It's a bit old, isn't it? So I think that's like 10 to 5 or something. I'm going to stop counting these because I can't remember. We'll show you the pile at the end, shall we? There you go. Oh, wow. How many is that now? 4?
3 or 4.
Oh, it's definitely 4. I thought it was 4 or 5.
Well, I carried 2 over there.
Yeah, we've got 2 there, so there's 4 straight away.
Oh, you've got one. Oh, yeah. Is there one more here?
Yeah, I got one, didn't I?
Oh yeah, we've got 4 then.
So we're on 4. But now we're on 4 track chairs. I ain't holding it up. Oh, blimey. 4 track chairs. Here's our old friend, scaff clamp. Oh, another one. But this one's a little bit more worse for wear, a bit broken. But it's still got the original wire on it, look. Wow. 3 of these I've had out now. 2 fishing lures on 1 pull. Nice one. Oh, brilliant. Something to take home. I don't think we can really tell what it is, but it's quite a funky shape. Wow, it's heavy. Whew. One thing I didn't expect today was all the heavy stuff coming out. This is every pull here, isn't it?
You're not kidding. It's the heavy mob.
It is, yeah. Yeah, you know we've got to walk this half a mile, didn't you?
Mm.
Oh.
Quite.
It's not a bucket.
Yeah. There's a hole in my bucket.
There is.
Dear Liza, there's a hole in the bucket. Dear Liza, hole. Well, fix it, dear David. Dear David. Dear David. Just fix it.
I got a bucket with a gaping great big hole in that side. But still, I think that, I don't know, is that an old fireman's bucket? I don't know, maybe. Oh, a little mushroom head bolt. So that'd be from the bridge, because I can see a row of them going all the way along. Yeah. Railway history.
Sorry, Dave.
What you got? How many?
I like to keep ahead.
You do, don't you? Every time I catch up, you go and run away again.
Yeah. Well, Dave's trying to catch, but I'm going ahead.
Yay! Ding ding!
Ding ding.
Ding ding! Awesome! Well, I've got a leg off or something, because there's the foot. Sort of sits at that sort of angle. Got a leg off or something. And I've got a pair of pliers, but they ain't going to work again. They're pretty mashed up, they are. Oh well. There we go, Gillian. Found something for you. They can bring it home. There you go. It's going to come off. It's going to come off. Oh, got it. It's the front door off a bin. Oh. Where's your bin? Here's a bin. I've been here.
Sun rising in the morning. Sun rising in the morning. Things to be all around.
It's getting tuneful. I found something. Don't know what it is though. It's like a dial-up or something, and it's got like blue writing on it. Blue. So yeah, don't know what that is. It's got a little handle in the middle, but rubbish now. Somebody's walking home in a car key. I don't know what sort, but sweet. Oh, here we go. Oh. Try and drag it up a little bit. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, we'll turn that over and find out what's on it. Oh, oh wow. Oh, what's that?
It says highways. Act, by the looks of it, 1950.
1959.
Oh, 1959.
Yeah.
Ooh. We'll have to...
Section... Or, yeah, it's section, I think. Something...
Might have to rinse it. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. But I think what we'll do, we'll take that home, but I don't want the pole.
Well, we'll have to angle that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what a sign. Sign. And I'm going to take it home and clean it up. So what that says there is Highways Act 1959. And it says the public are permitted to use this byway until further notice. And that's Councillor Simmons, Town Clerk. So yeah, that's a Highways Act 1959 sign. Sweet. And that is a cool find. Look at that. It's a scaff bar. It goes all the way over there. That's ridiculous. That just took both of us to get out. Wow, that is so long. Let me just stand back. You can see how long that is. Wow, how long? Crazy. Oh, okay. What's on here? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and I've got a knife and a lure ray. Oh, wow, look at that. A knife and a lure. That's a weird looking knife. That ain't a normal knife. That's like an artist's knife or something. Or is it half a knife? I don't know. Well, that's a weird one. Nice looking lure. And a knife. Sweet. What you got, mate?
An old fishing reel, which actually mainly from a fly fishing, because those two, their lugs, go over to hold the reel onto the rod. And in which case then away you go.
It does look an old one, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah, very old.
And you know the best thing about it? It's blue.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, another. Wow, what is that?
It's a pram.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's the base of a pram.
Undercarriage.
Yeah. I don't believe it.
Huh.
I've got the other half.
Huh. The shears. Ah. Well done, mate. Please.
Yeah, that is, isn't it?
Same colour.
Same colour.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Is it? Or is it two left? No. It's gone.
No, yeah, that's it. That's it. Awesome, mate.
Yeah?
Oh, that's awesome. Well done. At the end of the day, we've got all these fishing lures, got a cute little padlock, and got all them pennies. Lovely. That'll pay for some petrol. Well, not a lot at these prices, eh? What you found? What you found? Oh. Ah. It's coming. Oh my word. What's that, a bed or something?
No, it's one of those fences.
Oh, isn't it? Oh. There we go. Scrapman will be happy. Whew. We've also found, because we've been doing a lot of fishing and we didn't film them coming out, so I'm going to show you them now. So we've got a couple of knives just there, look, and we've got a gun. So that's an old air pistol, and it's pretty ropey. See the barrel's just poking through there, you see the spring in it, look. So yeah, that's a pretty nice find. I don't think that's coming home with us, it's pretty ropey. That's not even any point in sitting in the shelf, to be honest. And then we've got a fork, and look at this. I'm going to take this home and clean it up. This is a really, really old Coke can, and you can tell at the top it's been pierced. So that's how old it is. It's in fluid ounces. That's mad. It's in tip-top condition, that. So I'm going to be cleaning that up and seeing what it looks like underneath. Because I'll see if I can get that logo looking great. It turns out this can was from 1955. It was a test can sent to American military abroad. Wow, that is pretty cool. Well done, Ray. He's found them. It's crazy, look at that. How long do they need to be? So, over here, we've got a few bits. We've got a bit of angler there, look, another massive piece. Got a bucket full of scrap. And we've got a massive umbrella, a couple of nets, and we've got them 4 massive bits there. He had them all out of the same spot, just down there. So what else we got? A couple of fence pins for Gillian, and we've got a bin, door for him, a bin, and we've got a bucket with a hole in it, and we've got this old radio, and it's got valves in it, old valve radio. And then if we got, look at all this scrap. It is crazy how much we've got here. We've got a massive bit of pipe there, look. And we've got bits of bikes in there. We've got old bits of bed and guardrail and stuff like that in there. We've got a signpost that we pulled out, the first thing what we pulled out. And that's a bit of an engine, bit of a bike engine, that one. So not quite sure what bike that's off. It's definitely something to do with a bike engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 track chairs. 5 track chairs, 2 fish plates. We've got 7 of them track clips, and we've got 36 track bolts. 36 track bolts. That's amazing. So he's just cutting the stuff up now, and all that is going on there. There was so much stuff. And cheers, mate. So we've got all that stuff up. It took us 2 hours to move it all, and it's all now going on the truck. Cheers, Dave. Do us a turn again, mate.
It's Highways Act 1959, Section 34. This way is private, but pedestrians are permitted to use it until further notice. And then it's got a signature, looks like G.L. Simmons, or Councillor Simmons.
Town clerk.
Town clerk, yeah.
Oh, nice one. Hey up guys, we're all done. Scrapman's bin, as you've seen, it's all gone on his truck. We've had an amazing day. We pulled out so much heavy stuff. Oh mate, my back is groaning. But we've had an awesome time. All that, it took us 2 hours just to move that scrap. So Ray's there, and oh, we're ready for our beds now. Okay, I hope you liked the adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.
Morning. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love these. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps us get out there. Thanks for watching. Ding ding.